In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your profile photo in Asana. Having a profile photo in Asana makes it much easier for your teammates to recognize you in tasks, comments, and project updates. It adds a bit of personality to your workspace and helps keep collaboration clear, especially if you're working with a larger team. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process of adding or updating your profile picture. First, open Asana and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on your home dashboard, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your current profile icon. If you haven't uploaded a picture yet, this might just be a circle with your initials or a generic placeholder image. This is the button you'll use to access your personal account options. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click it, a small menu will appear, dropping down from the top right. This menu gives you quick access to things like your profile, settings, and sometimes other account-related options. From this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. This is where you can change different aspects of your account, including your profile image. Click on Settings to open the settings window. After clicking Settings, a new window or panel will appear, usually centered on your screen. Inside this settings area, you'll see several tabs or sections related to your account details. Within the profile section, you should see an option that says Upload your photo or something very similar. This is the control that lets you add a new image or replace an existing one. Go ahead and click on Upload your photo. Once you click that, your computer's file browser will open. From here, navigate to the folder where your desired profile picture is stored. A simple headshot or a clear, professional-looking photo usually works best, especially if you're using Asana in a work setting. Select the image you want to use, and then confirm the selection. Asana will then upload the file and, in many cases, give you a quick preview of how it will look. If there's an option to adjust or crop the image, take a moment to center your face and make sure it looks good at a small size. When you're happy with it, confirm any changes. Your new profile photo will now appear in the top right corner and next to your name across Asana.